The ugly duckling. Most of us have probably heard of this story as this is one of the most popular fairy tales in the world. The story revolves around a duckling who, from the moment of his birth, has always felt different from his siblings. He was always picked on because he didn't look like the rest of them. One day he had enough and ran away from the pond he grew up in. He wandered near and far, looking for a family who would accept him. Months passed and seasons changed, but everywhere he went, nobody wanted him because he was such an ugly duck. Then one day he came upon a family of swans. Upon looking at them, he realized that during the months he spent looking for a family to call his own, he had grown into a beautiful swan. Now he finally understood why he never looked like the rest of his siblings because he isn't a duck but a swan. Moral of the story: we shouldn't be too quick to judge others based on their physical appearance. Just because someone doesn't fit societal definitions of beauty doesn't mean they are ugly. Each of us is beautiful in our own unique way, and it's time we accept and celebrate that individuality. Thank you.